waiting on you, trying to keep your head strong, with nothing to lose. You raise your voice with something to prove, and all the things you say to me, I can't forget them. You don't leave, but you tell me with your eyes what you need. Oh, please, do you think that I don't know what it means? All the things you hide from me, I accept them, but I need you next to me. If I can't hold you now, keep thinking that you might not come around. I have no words, I have no words to say. If I can't change your mind, keep thinking, is this our last goodbye? You say it first, you say it first to me. You're in the clear, while I'm waking up to nothing but tears. And you say the same, like I'm the only one that needed to change. You know the things you said to me, do you regret them? I just need you next to me. If I can't hold you now, keep thinking that you might not come around. I have no words, I have no words to say. If I can't change your mind, keep thinking, is this our last goodbye? You say it first, you say it first to me, so I can just forget you, just forget you. Can just forget you, just forget you. And if I can't hold you now, keep thinking how you might not come around. And I have no words, I have no words to say. If I